Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today I'll be making a pumpkin and pistachio sweet cake. So let's start baking. There are 3 parts of ingredients to the pumpkin and pistachio sweet cake. For the first part, you will need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup of pumpkin, 1/2 cup of sugar, 3 eggs at room temperature, 1 cup of chopped pistachios, 3/4 of a cup of butter at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of almond extract. The sugar syrup, you will need 1 cup of white sugar, 1/2 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of orange blossom water. For the icing, you will need 2 cups of icing sugar, 1/4 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and some crushed pistachios for garnishing. The first step, you will need to add the sugar in a small saucepan. Add the water, put it on high heat. And this is how your pumpkin and pistachio sweet cake should look like. Have it with some chai and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. Don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone!